Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 2 raised to power x plus x equals 5. You have to find the value of x. So we will solve this by inspection and trail method. So method we use is inspection and trail. So according to this method, first of all, we will check our equation that have exponent 2 raised to power x and the linear term, that is x. We can look for integer solution by trying small whole numbers. Let's first of all try x equals 1. So we get 2 raised to power 1 plus 1, that equals 3, not equals 5. So this will not. Now we will solve for try x equals 2. That gives 2 raised to power 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, that will be, and in place of x we will also put 2. So 4 plus 2 will be 6 and not equal 5. So it's mean this will become the greater than 2. So we will see that if x equals 1 we get answer 3, and if x equals 2 we get answer 6. Now look for an integer that its precise value will be as f1 gives us 3 and the f2 gives us 6, and the function is strictly increasing. We know that this function will become strictly increasing. So there is exactly one unique real solution, between 1 and 2. So we will now solve this by exact numerical approximation or using the iteration methods. So we will apply this as exact numerical approximation method. For this purpose, the mesh method is you can find the value of x by using two numerical method, like bisection method you can apply on this, or you can also solve this by Newton method. Both numerical methods can be applied to this question. So first of all, we will make this a linear equation, that 2 raised to power x plus x minus 5 equals 0. So first iteration will be like midpoint between 1 and 2. So x equals 1.5. So we have its answer is 2 raised to power 1.5 plus 1.5 minus 5. That gives us when we substitute in this, what will happen is it equals 2 raised to power in the calculator, 2 raised to power 1.5 plus 1.5, that gives us 4.328 less than 5. Now the iteration 2, this is the iteration 1 and iteration 2, midpoint of 1.5 and 2. So this will be 1.5 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1.75. So we check this as on 2 raised to power 1.75 plus 1.75. So 2 raised to power 1.75 plus 1.75, this will equal 5.114. So this is greater than, this will be greater than 5. This tells us that we will get the exact value of, we will find the third iteration between midpoint of 1.5 and 1.75. So iteration 3 will be midpoint of 1.5 and 1.75. We have 2 raised to power 1.5, and this will be, find the midpoint, 1.5 plus 1.75 divided by 2, this will be 1.625. So x equal 1.625, substitute in the function 2 raised to power 1.625 plus 1.625. So what will happen? 2 raised to power answer plus answer is, we get the value, this equal 4.7094. So this is the less than 5. So we get our final answer here. What will be the final answer? We get that x is approximately equals 1.711. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. This channel is the learning hub for all Olympiad math problem, A levels, O level, IGCSE, GCSE, VCA and HSC mathematical solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.